Hello everyone, been Real 54 here. Yeah, I'm back. I'm here because I'm a dying YouTube channel along with all my friends, DJ Cringe, Quadratica, all of them. We're all dying YouTube channels. So I'm gonna go back to some that made me successful. Moon. It's a liked video. A liked video. Out of like 5 of them have likes out of 30. Come the fuck on. I just remembered that I hate this fucking map.
Check it out. I think the power's on already.
Just remember that shit. I fucking hate life. You know, but at least I get to drink soda. I mean, that's, like, lifing thing.
Check it out. I think the
God
power's
damn
on
it.
already.
I fucking died already. It was off camera too, so I can't complain about it. God damn it. I can finally. It took me forever to get fucking Jug. Damn. This fucking camera's unfocused. There.
The universe full of titty bars, and we end up here.
I don't enjoy life. Pow. Yeah, I feel I'm having so much fun jumping up and down on the moon. That's not gay. Okay, it's not gay. Don't fucking judge me. Finally, I can get a fucking weapon. Give me that
A
shit.
little light, but it deals death just fine.
Come. I shall kill you.
Alright. Awesome.
Fuck you. I don't know if playing on this map is good for me. It's reminding me too much of Star Wars.
Shut that.
Well, to be honest, Star Wars would be better with actual bullet guns instead of lasers. I mean, it's more futuristic. Lasers are more futuristic, but, you know. It'd be cool instead of shooting Darth Vader with a laser. You know, fucking shot him with a bullet, you know? I actually forget I'm fucking saying anything. I think I'm being surrounded.
Who else wants some of this? No dice, gutter sluts.
Instant knife.
Who else wants some of this?
There we go. Damn. Am I in Egypt? I see a tower. I see a tower. Am I in Egypt? Fuck, come on. Fucking astronaut.
Bring it on, marrow sucker.
Hold on. Okay, sorry.
Not a chance, flesh sore.
Kapow. Please die.
Unexpected goodness.
Thank you. Alright, time to hit the box, see what I get. I have no ammo in any of my weapons.
Eat shit and puke.
I'm out of ammo on all my weapons, and it decides to give me a
What's
grenade.
this do again?
I'm happy and all, but why now of all times?
Stay off of me.
Whatever, time for a second box roll. I want something good.
Bring it, maggot addicts. It's time to die.
I want death. But hey, at least I could say I got dual wield. Okay. Oh, hell yeah. Freaking death machine. Good boy.
That's a good way to save ammo.
Firing non-stop. I'm just Screw these computers. Just kill them all. Would be better without them.
Need the juice.
Not really. Oh, hell yeah.
This box loves empty.
Ray gun. Yeah, boy. Okay. The box is moving. Come on.
Shit.
Damn, Daniel. What the fuck did I just say?
Whatever. I'm over it. I can strangle those freak nuggets with this.
Wait, I can't use my ray gun in here, otherwise the place will get deactivated. Hold on until I get to Viago. Few more. Oh, no way. Oh, no. Here of all places. He had to spawn here of all places.
Chasing the butterflies on the moon. What's next?
Okay, now I can use my ray gun.
Die!
I didn't want the place to be decompressed. I want to breathe oxygen, you know? Jesus, when is max ammo gonna come?
Can't believe I get made that thing was fun. Yeah, I got no rounds.
I missed every shot.
Sweet.
You will say nothing. Fuck yes. Zap guns, bitch.
This
Trade up my dual normal ones for dual zap guns. Yeah. It was worth it. Most definitely.
Excavator Echelon will require the decompression of biodome.
Oh shit.
What's that rumbling? Oh shit.
I don't have enough money to open that door over there. And there's no fucking way. And I can't get rid of my hacker. So I better find my points real quick. Get the points, time to run. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Yeah, I wanted to get some more points. By speed. No. I can speed. Maybe I can't. I got enough kills while I'm there, maybe I could. Either way, I need to go and get that decompressed.
Eat it and love it.
So even if I don't get it while I'm there...
Warning. Excavator Echelon will require the decompression of biodome.
Time to go. YOLO.
Sucks.
$1,000 points for that. But I guess I have a bit of time, so. Gotta get this right.
And they're gone. You guys keep coming, I'll keep killing. Have a seat, freak junkies.
Oh yeah, hell yeah. Go, 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 go.
Wonder if this stuff makes you faster, or if it just makes everything else slow down.
Hack this.
This thingy
Fuck.
actually does
Yeah.
something that doesn't suck.
Now it's time to make a dash for the fucking biodome. Put those two ray guns together. I mean zap guns.
This
And run thing.
really sucks.
Play epic music or some shit. That actually wasn't that hard. Okay. You know. Motherfucking death machine. God damn it. Fucking hell, I didn't kill anything with that shit. Making fucking zombie balloons.
I'm on a roll.
Come on. No more ammo here. Need max ammo and stuff.
I'm about to go on a killing spree.
Holy shit, running low on ammo. Soon I'll only have like fucking wave gun ammo. Better make that shit count. Hell yeah, I just got a fucking mule kick. There, I got the fucking thing. Jesus, that's loud. Please, mind shutting this the fuck up? Thank you.
More random Nikolai's script. Less barfing. Fun.
So this shit gives me. Oh. Well, that's always good. I was expecting an explosion, but okay.
For me, baby.
There we go. And maybe one of these things should drop a max ammo. Who knows? Let's start the last one.
Something awesome just happened. Smells like breakfast.
Do you want to hack it, or... No.
Kaboom.
I'll get one eventually. I hope. Finally, goddamn max ammo. Took me fucking long.
Everyone's favorite. King Shake you. Who else wants some of this?
Okay, let's play. Will the QED finish off the zombie horn?
That was cool.
What happens if I throw one at the astronaut?
Sweet.
Oh. Hell yeah. One more throw, let's see what it gives me.
Sweet.
Oh. That saved my life. Oh my gosh.
Smells like breakfast. King Shake you.
That saved my life. I'm grateful. Alright, now I'm gonna go hack and buy the stakeout along with pack-punching. If you're wondering why, it's because the stakeout pack-punch is actually pretty big. And if you hack it, it changes the ammo from 450 to just 500, or the average ammo. But it flips the unpack-punched ammo around. But I don't really care because I'll have it pack-punched. Because I don't have any, like, meal kick or anything like that.
Lungs. Giving out.
So buy that. Now I go into this area with oxygen. I come over here. Hack it.
Us. Old. Brad. Quit talking.
There, now I have a stakeout. It's bad now, the pack punch, it's bay.
This.
That is if I get as far as pack a punch.
Tunnel 6.
Tunnel 6?
Hey, That doesn't sound good.
Like, it's bad a generator's being excavated or whatever, but that specific one is required for the Easter egg. And that specific one is the one I've been trying to get each time I did the Easter egg. And 5 times, which it's a 1 out of 3 chance, it's failed and given me something completely different than what I wanted. So where was Generator Pi needing excavating when I was trying to do the Easter egg when I needed it? It's fucking bullshit. Whatever, I can go pack punch now.
Great. Keep them out.
Doesn't even matter anyway because I have 2 ways from that area.
Get me out.
Like this. Attack punch this.
Since we first met, I'd probably rub it off on himself.
Da da da. Da da da.
Wish there were another pack-a-punch machine that could put this pack-a-punch machine in to make it go faster. Check out the flying meat puppets. That was awesome. Sorry, sweetheart. We're all out of bubble gum. Not a chance, much slower. Thank you, drive through.
I'm just gonna waste all my ammo because I'm not gonna need it when I switch it out when I pack punch it.
Hey, your insides are showing. The juice, dude. Let's find some ammo.
Put that in there.
That guy's gonna get us coming.
Give me that. Let's get this back in here. And I'm set for life.
Stop it.
Yeah, I'm pretty much set for life now.
Control restored.
Pretty much good now. You know? Got all my pack weapons. In case I run out of ammo on one, I have the raid, so we'll never run out of ammo. I can just go buy more.
Breathe.
No. Oh, fuck. Please, don't tell me it's gonna do this. Maybe I can charge it. Maybe I can charge it. What the hell is that? Charger. Oh, hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry, I need to charge my phone. It was dying on me. Well, I'm set for life. I have the perks I need. I have the weapons I need. All pack punched. There's no equipment I can get for the bottom section. So I pretty much have everything set.
Who else wants some of this?
So yeah.
Machine.
Hell yeah, fucking minigun.
Have a seat, freak junkies. No dice, gutter sluts. Not a chance in hell, cupcake. Stay off of me! Die, meat puppets! See ya, wanna be ya.
Now that I think of it, the ride doesn't have very good ammo. Maybe I shouldn't.
Who else some of this.
And you know what? At least it's a shotgun, so I can get headshots with it. You know, this is not a wonder weapon. I'm already getting shit points as it is. And again, I don't really care about points anymore. I really don't. So anyway, in my video where I was that awful Assassin's Creed video I made, where you couldn't hear me because my voice was too loud, and you couldn't hear the background because it was too quiet. What was that zombie doing? But anyway, in that video at the beginning of it, I mentioned a Curious Sloth character that I was going to make a video on him, but his channel was deleted. Yeah, I would have, but the exact same day I was going to make a video on him, his channel was deleted. So, I guess I'll just talk about what he did, how bad he was real quick. Basically, his channel was relying on shoutouts. Not by that I didn't mean it was like Seahorse or someone where he would get attention from giving people shoutouts. I mean, he would pretend to be friends with someone online, like through the comments. And this is actually a guy that I had a bit of contact with. He'll basically act like he'd be your friend. You know, you'll sub to him, and not only, and so most of the time, the person that he's friends with will give him a shout out. And he targets people that have like 20, 10, even 15, which was me at the time. So not only would he get that one subscriber from the guy he was trying to be friends, was pretending to be friends with, but he'd also have the chance of getting a shout out, giving him a lot more attention.